Nubia is gearing up with a new tablet. That is Nubia Pad Pro. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. This tablet has a simple design and is available in grey and silver color. It has a 2.8K resolution and 4 channel speakers and 144 Hz refresh rate and full screen on the front. A single camera module on the back. It is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon Gen 3 processor. This is the most powerful chipset. And give to more power this tablet, there will be an octa-core processor. And for best graphic results, there will be GPU of Adreno. Talk about the battery capacity, there will be a 10,100 mAh battery with the support of 66 watt fast charging. Its AI together smart assistant support functions such as image repair and document generation to further enhance office efficiency. In terms of design, the product adopts an integrated metal body and ultra-narrow bezels on all 4 sides. The rear camera continues the iconic red circle design. That's all for now and thanks for watching.